Flash Furniture Modern 3-drawer mobile locking filing cabinet with anti-tilt mechanism and hanging drawer for legal and letter files, black. Modernize your office with this locking file cabinet with side handles to add a polished look in your home office or professional office. This mobile cabinet can be placed under most desks and can be rolled to be closer to employees who file often. Modern design, 3-drawer locking system, 2 keys, replaceable lock, mobile cabinet with low-set casters. Interlocking drawers, opens one drawer at a time to prevent tipping. Interior, removable pencil tray, file conversion bar for vertical filing of longer documents, holds letter, legal, A4, F4 files. Product measurements: overall size 15.5 watts x 21D x 22.75H. Top and middle drawer size 13 watts x 18.75D x 4.5H. Bottom drawer size 13 watts x 18.75D x 11.5H. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.